Most people quit investing right before it starts working. At first, it feels painfully slow. You're putting in money every week, every month, and nothing exciting is happening. Your account barely moves. It feels like you're wasting time, but what you don't see is what's building underneath. Because investing isn't linear, it's exponential. In the beginning, your gains are small because your money is small. A 10% return on $1,000 is just $100. That's not life-changing. But fast forward a few years. Now you've got $50,000 invested. That same 10%, that's $5,000. And then $100,000 becomes $10,000 a year. $200,000 becomes $20,000. At some point, your money starts making more money than you can contribute. That's the shift. It goes from feeling like nothing is happening to suddenly everything happening at once. But here's the catch. Most people never get there. They quit during the boring phase. They chase quick wins. They get impatient. The truth is, investing feels slow because you're early, and being early always feels like you're behind. But if you stay consistent, stay invested, and give it time, one day you'll look at your account and realize it was never slow. It was just building.